Hi everyone, it's Shannon from CKC Patterns, and today I want to talk to you about storing PDF patterns, and I'm going to show you the two ways that I've done it, and hopefully one of them works out well for you. So for the first one, I buy a binder, a 3-ring binder like so, and we actually have this cute picture. I'll add it to the link to the description bar below. But okay, so I buy a 3-ring binder, and then I buy these tabs that have a pocket in them. So then I can print off the cover sheets, the materials needed, the finished measurements, the size chart, and the cutting fabric. And then in this portion, I put these sizes. So I have the 0 to 3 months, and I usually don't put them unless I have actually printed them off and needed them, and then I can just store them here. If I haven't made it before, then I don't put the pattern pieces here, and I usually don't even print off the pattern. These are just things that I've made a couple times and I want to save the pattern pieces, so I throw them in here. And I have even women's patterns. So this is the Havens Women's, and the same thing. I just print off like the first 3 pages, and I can make like any notes that I think I want there. Like if I like things done a little bit differently, I can put them in there. And then I have all my pattern pieces here. And it's super easy to refer back to when you have a hard copy. And then when I go over to my computer, or when I go over to sew, I can use my phone and look on Dropbox if I want. I'd show you that, but I'm using my phone to video record. If you don't have Dropbox, highly recommended. I'll put a link for that in the description bar as well. The other thing that I do is I bought these file folders from the dollar store, so they're super cheap. And then when I cut out my pattern pieces, I just fold them up and throw them in these file folders, and I have a cabinet I store it all in. So whenever I need a size, because I sew a lot for friends and family, I can just grab the size I need out of the folder, use it, and fold it back up, and it's there for later. And a lot of the times when I do this, I don't print out the sheet because it's something that I use a lot. I don't need that kind of information. So for like this Chanel's, for example, since it doesn't have a cutting chart on the pattern, some of our patterns do, some of our patterns don't. We're really working on making sure they're on all the new patterns. I do include on my pattern pieces special measurements. So like for the neckband, or if there were a trim band, I would put it on here so that I don't have to keep referring to a pattern, and it's right on my pattern piece. I can use it. I can refer to it anytime I want. So these are the 2 methods that I use for organizing my patterns. And again, a lot of it I just keep on Dropbox because I haven't used it yet, or it doesn't have pattern pieces. And that's super easy to use because I can just pull it up on my phone or my computer, and I have all the information right there. So if you have any ways that you use to organize your patterns, we'd love to hear. Add a video below or send us some comments. We'd love to read them. Check out our videos, subscribe. We have tons of information. You can go to our website, ckcpatterns.com, to see our more than 1,500 patterns. And yeah, that's it. I hope this was helpful. Have a wonderful day.